Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are working on making a kitchen here, and as you can see, there's nothing done. Nothing has been done here. The only thing that I did so far was the stove, and what I did was I took a toothpaste box, a Crest toothpaste box, and I put duct tape all around it. See? And I made a sink there with a little hook that I had. You know, sometimes you have these little things, you know, that you throw out, and they're very good. They come, you know, they come in handy when you're doing these projects. Okay, so that's how I did that. So the kitchen, I'm planning to put it there, but this kitchen is gonna be looking very different. I am also going to create an island. Some people call it the counter for the kitchen. It's where people sit down in stools here and they eat. But we're going to go over to the table over there and we're going to prepare the island, and it's gonna look a lot different. And I'm doing it from a box here, a peach mango drink mix. Okay, so let's go over to the table, and I'm going to show you how to make the island using duct tape. Okay, all you need is scissors and duct tape. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Take your box, okay, get your duct tape. This duct tape is pretty tough, but it works. Sometimes cutting it is a pain, but okay. So we're going to dress this box here with duct tape all around. I hate this. I hate when that happens. Okay, we're still gonna put more duct tape on it. I hope you can see what I'm doing here because of where I positioned the camera. Try to make a straight fold there. Okay, then we're going to take more duct tape. Yeah. We're going to put it right there. Don't worry if you have to like take the tape off like I just did, because you do want to do this nice and neat. Okay, so far it's looking pretty clean, but we're going to go all around here, so we're going to put more tape. So we're going to put right here where let's try this again. here. We want to get it nice and straight. That's why I didn't settle for just, you know, putting it the first. Okay, now we'll fold these in. So we practically covered the whole box. See, I mean, it looks nice all around. The bottom doesn't matter. You don't have to worry about that. And then what I've taken here is a phone cover, a cell phone cover. And I figured since this is gray, it goes good right there. So we're going to put it right on top. And that's going to be your island. Okay, like a counter. So let's go over and let's see how it looks here. Okay. So this is all planning the kitchen. Okay, so because there's going to be flooring and wallpaper there. So all this is going to be looking different. I'm planning to put this backsplash right there. This is how it's going to look. And then that's going to be the island. And I'm also going to put this up here. It's a piece of foam, but it works. Once everything is, I'm going to put it up here. I'm going to put it up here. This is going to be holding that. I'm going to tape it to the wall once the walls are up. And I think I'm going to add this up here like this. So this is the way the kitchen is going to look right there. Okay. Let's see. Alright, what else? So once I'm finished, I'm going to do the finishing touches. There's a little microwave here, if you can see it. That microwave is going to go somewhere around there. Not sure. But I want to show you what this really is. This is, if you can see in the back, it says Cypress and it has a number there. These are little promotional items that they give you sometimes at insurance companies and, you know, different places like that. And it brought a blade in there. So that's what it is. See, it's a blade holder. So I just saw it as a microwave for the kitchen. And then this here, this is gonna be the paper towel. I took real paper towel and I rolled it up in a piece of straw, but I have to fix this. That's gonna be for the paper towels. And so yeah, so that's just a little glimpse of the kitchen and how to make your island. I'm also going to add to the island drawers. And I'm going to do that by using these little number things, but I'm going to use the back of it, the black part. And this is gonna go on here somehow like this, and I'm going to create some drawers right here, right there. All right, well, anyway, I'll bring you back to this kitchen when I'm all done. Okay, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.